Okay, good morning student. Welcome back in 8th A Maths group. Today we will see two part. One that numbers, a number line, and to convert rational number into decimal form. So first 9 by 37. So 9 by 37. So 9 divided by 37. Now 37 ones are 37. So don't send the message. So point 0. So now we can do 37 twos are 40 40 80 80 40 40 80. So 70. 37 twos are 72. 74, sorry, 74 less, so it will be 16. Again it will not cut, so 0 0. Now 4s are 148. Now you will get 12. Now again 0, again 0. Now 3s are, it is 111. So it is 9. So again it is coming 90. So this will be continuous 0.23 to 43, again to 43, again to 43, again to 43. So 0.243 it is repeating, no? So 243, again 243, again 243. So 243 you have to show, not underline, upper line. Okay. So now actual answer of this is this 243, 243, 243. Again and again it will come. So how to show that? Just this. Then like this also you can show. Then you have to convert into this. Now 18 by 42. So better you make it half of. So 9 by 21. Divide by 3. 3 3s are, 3 7s are. Correct. So 3 divisible by 7. Directly it is not possible. So 0.0. Okay. So 7 4s are 28. 2 remain. 7 2s are 7 8s are. See in between it is repeating or not. 7 5s are. Okay. 35. So 5. 7 7s are 1. So 0 will come. 7 1s are 7. So it will come 30. So 30. So again it will come the same number. So how to write that? That I am writing here. This is first. Now second I am writing here. 18 by 42. Minimum it is 7 by 3. It is 0.42851. 42851. Repeating. So it is 0.42851 upper line. So that much time it is recurring. Recurring means you will get the same. It is continue. 428571, again 428571, again 428571, again and again, again and again, again and again. Now next number is given 9 by 14. So 9, 14 divides the 9. So again 14 ones are not possible, so 0.2. Okay. So 6 are 84. So 6 remain. Again 0. Next 14 4s are. So 40. 14 2s are. Because 3s are 42. 2s are 28. 12. Now 8s are 0, 0. 14 8s are 1, 1, 2. 18. So one more 0. Sorry, not 80, 80. So 5s are 70, 10. One more 0, one more 0. Correct. Now it is 7s are. Now Diwali, see the time. Now 20 comes. 20 is repeating, no. So 1s are 6. 60 is repeating, yes. So what will be the answer? 9 by 14. 0.6428571. 6428571. Dash, 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 dash. So this much is recurring. So 9 by 14 is equal to 0.6428571 upper line. What is the meaning of upper line? That same number will be coming again and again. It is infinite number of time we can divide. It is a long division. Naman, what you are writing? Now my method, minus 103 divided by 5. Whenever you want to divide by 5, which number you want to divide by 5, make it double. My number is 103. I want to make double, so it is 206. If it is minus, so minus. Divide by 5 means make the number double. Cut one decimal from back the side. So this is the answer. Minus 103 by 5 is equal to minus 20.6. Whatever be the figure, suppose it is 1, 2, 4, 3. 2 divided by 5. Make it double. 4, 6, 8, 4, 2. And one decimal from back the side. So this is your divisible by 5. At that time no need to divide this individually. But that also you will get the same. For example, 103 divide by 5. 5 2s are 10, 0, 0. 3 will be down. Not possible. 0, 0, 0. Correct. So point. 5 6 are, see, 20.6. And for minus to minus, directly you have to write that, no need to show in division. Two more example, then we will do diagram. Diagram part is very important. In online, write your name very properly and put a DP very decent. Don't give chance to complain on your DP or your on name. Okay. Now 11 divided by 13. Not possible. So 0 point. Correct. Now direct 8s are. Whose mic is on? Why you people are disturbing? correct, then more 0. When I am telling don't make your mic on, and specially you are making on. Very good. See, my this are on recording. Each and every one will be captured. I will take strict action. Thirteen for the 54, 8, 6 are 78. It is 2. 1s are again. It is 6. See, 4s are correct, 60. 4s are 52, 8. 6 are 20. It is 13, sir. So 70. Now it is 5s are, so 65. So 3s are correct. So it will be 11. So 11 it is coming here. So then it will be again 4, 8, 8, 4, 6, 1, 5, 3. So minus 11 by 13 is equal to 0.846153. 846153 less incomplete. So this is the answer, 846153. Repeating. In exam, they'll ask 2 questions to convert this number, fraction number means rational number, into decimal number. Again and again I am giving instruction every day that write your name proper. I want standard division, roll number and name. That's it. Why you are writing another? DP should be very clear or make it empty. And no mic, no message, no video. For this only I need 2 helper from all the division I got, but from only 80 I am not getting. So please 2 students at least contact me. Okay, now very important part to show number or a number line. Especially irrational number on number line. Irrational number on number line. Stepwise I will show how to draw. It should be very sharp, neat, clean, single-handed. Don't repeat the arcs. Now this is algebra and geometry mix. To draw a geometrical diagram, that is geometry, and to show the number on number line, that is algebra. So always show 0 slightly on left side. this is 0, 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 and take at least 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 1, 2, 3. First I have drawn line, then I have taken 0 on left side, then I have taken 1, 2, 3 at 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter 1, 3 centimeter 2, 3 centimeter 3, 3 centimeter 1, 3 centimeter 2, 3 centimeter 3. And same this side, minus 1, same, minus 1, same, minus 1. First diagram is for, again mic on, very good, very good. Fourth diagram. These are the question. Show root 3, show root 2 on number line. Whose mic is on? Root 2 on number line, root 3 on number line, root 5 on number line, root 7 on number line. These are the questions. Now for root 2 and root 3. For root 2 and root 3, on number 1, draw perpendicular. Draw perpendicular and cut same 3 centimeter. This 3 centimeter, this 3 centimeter. This 3 centimeter, this 3 centimeter. Now join this and this. So this is 1, this is 1, and now this is become root 2. This is 1, this is 1, now this is become root 2. For root 3, root 2 is very important, otherwise directly root 3 you can't show. Follow? Now, like this, point on 0 and pencil on this like this, cut this, cut this. So here it is root 2 and this is O, this is A, this is B. In right angle triangle AOB, AO square plus AB square is equal to OB square, Pythagoras. So this is 1 square, 1 square, OB square, 1 plus 1, 2 is equal to OB square. So OB is equal to root 2. This calculation is very important. And Arshad Ansari, you remove. Arshad Ansari. Remove. What is the purpose of making mic on? So this same you have to repeat here. Then here also you will get a root 2. Now exactly on root 2 exactly on root 2, again draw perpendicular line. Correct. Then again cut 3 centimeter. Then that top you have to join with 0. Now again, like a rounder, on 0 metal point, on here pencil point, and do this. So this is root 3. So now again O A B in right angle triangle AOB, AO square plus BO square, BA square is equal to BO square. पता करो. So this one is root 2 now. This one is 1 now. So this is root 2 is 2. 1 is 1. This is BO square. This is 3 is equal to BO square. So BO square root of this, it is root 3. So you got root 2, you got root 3. Again I am explaining. 3 centimeter perpendicular, 3 centimeter joint, and from here cut pencil or a metal point on O, pencil point on B, cut. Repeat up to root 2. Then on root 2 draw perpendicular 3 centimeter, this cut. Now root 4. Root 4 is very easy compared to first and second. Here I have taken 1, 1. Here I have taken root 2 and 1. Here I will take 2 and 1. 1 and 2 at 2 centimeter. I draw perpendicular. But height will be the same. As 3 centimeter means 1. Correct? This is 1. Base to height 1. Base to height 1. Now again, middle point on O, pencil point on this, join. From here, cut. So this will be your root 5. How? That I will show. Now this is O, this is your A, this is your B. Now in right angle triangle AO square, AB square, BO square. So this is 2, this is 1, this is root 5. How this? 2 square, 1 square, BO square. 2 to the 4 plus 1 1 is 1, BO square. 5 BO square, square root. So BO is equal to root 5. This is it. Again, 2 unit, 1 unit, joint, metal point, pencil point, cut the line, root 5. Then you have to show this triangle, right angle triangle. These all are right angle triangle. 90 drawn. From root 2 to root 3, wait, it will okay, because from here network is perfect. Now okay. Sometime you have to wait around 10 seconds because sometime the frequency varies, so it takes time to constant. For root 3 you have to draw root 2, then continue like that from root 5, root 6, then root 7. So draw again root 5 for root 7. So 1 and So height again 1 unit, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So this is 1. Exactly the same. Join this. अरे आपका नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगा, बाकी का सही है. Rest of are okay because from my side frequency is clear. Wait, I said no, wait for 1 minute, automatically it will be clear. Wait. Okay, now from here pencil point, metric point, pencil point, cross. Akshay, see, you remove. Don't speak anything. Akshay, see, I said you remove. So this is root 5. On root 5, draw perpendicular again. Draw 90. Exactly on root 5, draw perpendicular. Where you cut, no, draw perpendicular. Now again same height. 1 unit means 3 centimeter. Now join this. Now this is root 5. Now this is root 6. Now pencil point, metric point here, pencil point here, cross. Again cross. So it will be root 6. Now on root 6, again draw perpendicular. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, when you will increase, no, automatically you will get next number square root. Not on 3. Okay. So root 5 height, root 6 height, again the same height. Same height I am cancelling. Now join with the height. Now point, metric point here, pencil point here, cross. So see. Now how to show calculation. O, A, B. So in right angle triangle, who is speaking? Who is speaking? I said switch off. You people are very irritating. That is why I need help. OA square plus AB square. OA square, AB square is equal to BO square. Now it is root 5, root 6, root 5, root 6. Again. Don't speak, I said. Remove. Root 6 is 6 plus 1. BO square. 7 is BO square. So take square root. So BO is equal to under root 7. These 4 diagrams are very easy, and 2-3 times you have to practice in your notebook, and it should be very sharp. Alphabet what you are writing, that should not touch to the diagram in single time. Saurabh Yadav, now you are making noise. So this first of all you just take a screenshot, so you will get at least idea, and calculation is must. Without calculation, diagrams marks they will not give. So diagram is very important. Calculation is also very important. By calculation you will come to know that how root values are coming, and where by the arc it is cut. So that intersection point is root 2, that intersection point is root 5, root 7. and I am teaching to 10th standard maths, 9th standard maths, 8th standard maths, and one more 10th standard science. So 4 division I am teaching. But this batch, irritating. In between they are sharing, in between they are open the mic, in between open the camera, speaking something. From first day I am observing. That is why I need 2 hosts. So when I will write no, at that time they can remove those who will speak unwanted things, and they will restrict your DP and your name and all that. See now also. So take a screenshot and try to draw exactly the same. If you are getting any problem, you just send the message in the group. No personal call, no personal message, please, because full day students are messaging, students are calling. For their network problem also they are disturbing. See, from my side, if it is not okay, so my recorder is also there and my screen is also there, so I will observe that my network is not correct. So at that time I will try to correct myself. Okay, but from my side it is okay, but yourself the frequency is less. At that time you will find slightly blur. So try to cooperate. And see, only 50% students are coming. So tell your friends, tell your neighboring student of 8th A, or those whose contact number are with you. So try to contact and join them. Some students are totally out of reach, means they are not in contact. In group also, in link also, in live lecture also. So they have to also study. Okay. Today I have to go